Getting a lot of questions these days about, hey, where's the market? What's it doing with the sunshine spring? I hear there's a ton of houses coming on the market. Where are we at? So I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek and a heads up on kind of what's happening. Eric Hatch here with Century 21. So I've got Auburn and Grass Valley pulled up, for instance. And so it's crazy to think that the medium list price right now is $795,000. I will tell you that the higher priced properties of 1.2, 1.7, they're selling. People are coming in and buying those properties. So you've got your average square foot, and this is on Auburn, is your average square foot has been kind of flat right now, around 361 a square foot. You've got about an average days on market, 93. You've got price decreases in the last, and this is, if I run this number, this is from May, you had 34% of decreases. The next week, in May 9th, May 16th, May 23rd, all the way up to now is 52%. So 52% of the homes went from 30% like in the beginning of the month to 52% of people actually decreasing their prices there. You've got 0 people that increased the price. I've got 13% of the people have relisted, maybe with a different agent, or brought it back on the market. You've got inventory. So if I go back to, let's say, April 4th, you had 65 homes in the Auburn area on the market. Then every week it went up 75, 87, 88. It dropped a little bit, and now we're at 86. We got 86. We've got then the medium rent, if you're looking for rents, is $1,900. So in Grass Valley, we look at this one, the medium list price right now coming on the market is $660, and it was $692 just a month ago. So the prices, the homes, that just tells us that there's some more lower, less expensive homes coming on the market. You've got the median price on new listings right now popping up, has been pretty flat the last 3 weeks at $635,000, and the price per square foot is now at $304. A month ago, it was $321 on the listings that were popping up. So that tells us right now price per square foot is that people are reducing their prices. Price per square foot is coming down, which is nice. Average days on market. I like this one about Grass Valley because March 14th, there was 152 days was the average day, and it's dropped to 118, dropped to 100, dropped to 99, and we're at 95. So it's actually their days on market. So houses are going pending a little bit quicker in the Grass Valley area. Medium days on market, they're talking around 49 days. And then the price decreases, again, same thing with Auburn. About a month ago, we were at 43%. Now we jumped up to 50. So that means that more than 50% of the homes in the last week or 2 weeks, there's been a lot of price adjustments and people lowering the prices. And yes, you did have one house that increased their price there in Grass Valley. All right, so you got 8% of relisted, so that's actually a very good number there. Your inventory in April was 81, and now it's up to 115. So you can see that this is traditional, and this is still, our numbers are still lower than the pre-pandemic levels, but still a nice, healthy market, which there's a needle, and I can send you guys this if you want. There's a needle that I like on this system that I look at of where it actually seller's market, buyer's market, and it actually dipped just a little bit from the last month towards the buyer's market because when inventory pops up. You got your inventory there and your medium rent right now, which I'm not sure how they calculate that, but $2,850. So I mean, that's there's obviously some pretty expensive rentals out there. So this kind of gives us some ideas. If you guys would like connections or links to any of this, I've got them in all the general cities all around the area. So if you're looking for cities in the foothills, let me know. Happy to send you a link on that. Let me know what you guys think about your numbers and what you guys feel about what the market is doing in your neighborhood, and we'll talk soon. Eric Hatch here with Century 21. Take care.